Okay, so here's part 2 of our 2.1 notes. We're going to evaluate using the exponent properties. Okay, so the first one, we have -4 times 2 to the 5th, and that's taking it to the second power. So here, notice that we have different bases, and then it's being raised to the same exponent, so I'm going to distribute that to both of my parts here. So I have -4 to the second power times 2. Remember, when you have an exponent raised to another exponent, we're going to multiply. So we do 5 times 2 to give us 10. So now we're going to evaluate. We just plug these values into our calculator here. Okay. So no -4 squared. And we plug that in. That will give us 16 times. And then you just plug 2 to the 10th into your calculator. And what you get? 1024. So now we're just going to multiply these two values here. And we will get 16,384. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one. So these are being divided. Notice we do have the same base, but then it's also being raised to the same power. So you have multiple ways of doing this. Either you can distribute the -1 first and then go ahead and subtract the exponents, or subtract the exponents now and then distribute the -1. It's really up to you what you want to do first. I'm going to go ahead and evaluate what's inside the parentheses first. So we have the same base and we're dividing, meaning we subtract the exponents. So 5 minus 8 gives us -3. Now this is still being raised to the -1st power. Now that we have an exponent raised to another exponent, we're going to go ahead and multiply. So -3 times -1, that will give us a +3. So now we just do 11 to the 3rd power. You can just put that into your calculator, and we get 1,331. Okay, make sure you watch part 3 of this video. That's where we're going to simplify our expression.